Guys, back again working on a Cub Cadet zero turn this time. What ended up happening was the mower deck, like the spindles, one of the brackets broke, and then the mower deck actually blew a huge hole in it, and every time I mow with it, it just bog out and die. That's what she looks like. So what I ended up doing was I took another mower deck I had on a different Cub Cadet. This one, the transmission went out on it. It's a Cub Cadet 1170. So the difference between the two was that the mower decks were turned in the opposite directions. So all I had to do was make extensions to make it kind of back set, because the problem was it was rubbing on this wheel here. So I ended up notching this corner out, and then up under here on both sides, this is just some garage steel. Maybe a little extension here, and then maybe the same on the other side. And then in the front, had to take these pieces of steel I had laying around, drilled out some holes. I put a bunch of different holes in there in case I ever had to adjust it, but put them holes in there. I actually ended up using the old, like, U-shaped piece of steel, and I just bent it in and then shoved it through the existing plate that was with this, because this U-shaped was actually with that mower. But in order for me to make it work, I had to use this piece because this piece was wider than the original one. And then another thing I had to do is I had to add another pulley back here to kind of keep the belt in place right here. I just drilled a little hole through the deck, made sure it's as tight as possible. I put a washer on the top, then on the bottom I put a washer and a lock nut and a bolt. Went to Ace Hardware and got me a belt that was close. And then I pulled that as tight as I could and drilled the hole where I needed to, tightened her down, and now she's good to go. I'll show you how she runs now. Heck of a lot better than the other belt ever did. Park. Here she is running. A lot more power than she ever had.